Hi, I'm Executive Director Tammy Sullenberger. Thank you for choosing the Low Cost Spay Neuter Clinic. Before we release your pet to you, please give us your attention and listen to some important postoperative instructions that you'll need to know before taking your pet home today.
It's really important to restrict your animal's activity. Don't let them sprint outside in the backyard, romp around with other animals or children or anything like that. It puts extra strain in their incision area. Don't submerge them fully in any water or anything like that. Check that incision area every day. Make sure it's not open or oozing or anything like that. Sometimes they can experience pain or discomfort within the next 24 to 38 hours. That can be completely normal, and that's why that pain medicine is so important. Signs of pain can be crying, but also can be hiding and things like that.
As food and water goes, you want to offer water and a small amount of food this evening. Please do not allow your pet to gorge because this may cause them to vomit. And the next day following surgery, you can resume back to their normal feeding habits and, of course, the water also. Urinating, defecating, you want to make sure your pet is doing that even after surgery. Even if they're not eating, they should still be urinating. You want to make sure your kitty's litter box is nice and cleaned out so you can make sure they are urinating. And you want to make sure they're doing this in the next 24 to 48 hours. If not, give us a call. And the effects of the anesthesia may cause them diarrhea or constipation. And if this continues for the next 24 to 48 hours, also give us a call on that too.
Here's a good example of what your female dog spay incision looks like immediately after surgery. It should get better from here on out as the healing process takes place. We want you to check your pet's incision several times a day. Some swelling, redness, or bruising can be expected. You should never see anything pussy, oozing, bad odor. Those would be a time you would want to give the clinic a call during our business hours, or if it's after hours, call our emergency number.
As far as the sutures in your pet, there's no need to come back and have any sutures removed. We use steel sutures under the first layer of skin and then surgical glue on the outside.
Please discourage your animals from chewing or looking at their incision. Our male dogs are required to go home with an Elizabethan collar, and we do ask that you keep that on them for the week. If you notice that your female dogs are chewing or looking at their incision excessively, you're free to purchase an Elizabethan collar either with us or at your local pet store. With our larger male dogs, you will notice some additional swelling over the next couple days. Might even see a spot or two of blood. This is perfectly normal. We just ask that if you notice any foul odor, oozing, gapping, or the incision breaks open in any way to please let us know immediately. Male animals will remain virile for the next 3 to 4 weeks, so we ask that you keep them away from any other females that they may impregnate either in the household or in the neighborhood.
Once you've gotten your pet home, if you should have any questions or any problems, please call the Low Cost Spay Neuter Clinic at 317-706-0537 during our normal business hours. If it should be after hours and you should have any questions or problems, please call us at 317-509-8272.